First is a neutral and awkward posture of the wrist. Neutral posture, minimal, radial, or ulnar deviation. Awkward posture, radial deviation, ulnar deviation. Neutral posture, minimal flexion or extension. Awkward posture, flexion, extension. Next is neutral and awkward posture of the elbow. Neutral posture, awkward posture is elbow flexion, elbow extension. Next is the neutral and awkward posture of the shoulder. Neutral posture. Awkward posture is shoulder flexion, shoulder extension, shoulder abduction, and extension. Next is neutral posture and awkward posture of the back. Neutral posture, awkward posture, back flexion, back extension. Neutral posture, awkward posture, twisting about waist and lateral bending.